Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is my bridal shower. So yeah, I'm in the process of getting ready. I'm very excited. The theme is, I have no idea. It's actually a surprise for me. I already curled my hair. I think it's a little too big, but big hair. Don't care. Yeah, I'm gonna put my makeup on and stuff. I only have 20 minutes, so yeah, perfect. So it usually takes like half an hour to do my hair to get everything curled back. I have no idea, but we'll see. People will like point that out to me. There's probably one section that's like completely straight. For this look, I kind of want to look kind of glowy but natural. And first I'm going to use this primer. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Glow Primer. Just to dab this throughout my face. Once I put this on, I don't really have to like put a lot of layers after, and also just like filters through your pores and stuff like that, which I like. And I'm going to use my handy dandy IT Cosmetics CC Plus cream in my shade, just a little dab, because I'm going to do a little bit of contour today. I'm going to use these two complexion sticks from Merit. I find these sticks really nicely blend into my skin and warms up. I'm using chestnut for contouring. Also around my forehead, it's a little darker. I feel like there's some dark spots or sunspots there, so this is perfect. This one is the shade Khaki. I think I'm just going to use it for under eye. I said I'm not going to do too much, but I am doing quite a lot compared to my normal routine. Okay, so my foundation, my base is done, and before I move on to anything, I like to use this Dr. Mascara Fixer from E2 House. So I originally purchased this obviously for my mascara, but I find that it kind of irritates my eyes, but I do like to use this for my brows as like a brow gel. You kind of just have to make sure they're dry after, but so good for my brows for some freaking reason. I have no idea why. Yeah, let that sit. I'm using this Merit cheek color in the shade Raspberry Beret, like that shade. I really like the brand Merit. It's just like promotes clean beauty, natural beauty as well, which is perfect for this occasion. Their stuff is like really nicely blended in. I really like them, and it's really easy to use. That's really subtle, you can only see it, but I like to come back to see if I need more. I like to shade my face first before I do anything, like my eyes and stuff. This one is also from Merit. This is the highlighting balm. The highlighting balm is really subtle. Sometimes I just feel like you can't really see. Oh, you can see. I'm just checking out myself in the camera. Alright, I think my brow is set, so I'm just gonna go in and fill them in. I'm using this Pixie Beauty Eye Effect Rosette Ray. Here are the shades. I'm just gonna play around. I don't really mind. This kind of like a color palette, it's just easy to play with. Like you can mix whatever color you put on and it still looks good. Use M Cosmetics Felt Pen Eyeliner. And I'm just gonna use eyeliner really quick. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the blush. I like my cheek to be really blushed. Oh my god, I did not even like blend that in. Oops. My nose contour. Tap, 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 tap. And then last but not least, I'm gonna use this Merit lip oil in All Natural. I'm obsessed with this. It's so moisturizing, and it doesn't stain or anything. It definitely makes it look really natural. Yeah, my lips are always so dry, and I always forget to use chapstick. It's like not a habit of mine. Yeah, I'm gonna change. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. You will see it more, but I'm running really late. My friend is actually coming and get me right now, so yeah, but this is really cute, right? Can you see? I'm like freaking out. Last but not least, I'm going to use this perfume from Dossier. They sent me a new scent. This one is a woody sandalwood. Oh my god, I love it. It's like so nature. This is the woody sandalwood, and this is the citrus ginger one. Woody sandalwood smells so lovely, and it just smells super naturey. It's like very subtle as well. Apparently this is like a dupe for Sandal 33, which I don't have. I'm never really a person who likes to buy like, you know, expensive perfumes. I just feel like they're a waste of money sometimes. On the website it indicates what brand inspired the scent, so you can always check it out like that. And also they're cruelty free and made with clean ingredients, so that's always good in my book. The citrus ginger one is very refreshing. It's more for summer scent for me, so I'm gonna use it more for like hotter days. But for sandalwood, woody sandalwood, I feel like I can use this for every day, every season, and just like so subtle. It smells so wonderful. I'm obsessed. So yeah, I'm gonna spray a little. Shimmer secret. Hi. I was actually running late yesterday, so I didn't get a chance to finish filming like the get ready part just because my friend was picking me up on time. They usually don't, but this time they do. Basically, I got this dress on Etsy. It was a vintage wedding dress. And the seller, the picture does not look that attractive. It kind of looks a little ghostly, but I kind of just like, you know, $60, whatever. Let me just give it a try. It came, it was super baggy. I was like, oh my god, this is sad because I just spent $60, but the detail is still very beautiful. I decided to just, you know, pay more money for alteration. And I'm so glad I did because now it looks perfect on me. It looks so cute, and I will have this dress forever. It's like one of the best dresses to have for I guess bridal shower. Because I only have one bridal shower, but this is such a cute dress. And it also has that cottage core aesthetics. It has this square neckline. I'm obsessed with it. And also this baggy sleeve, but the baggy sleeve is not constraining, as you can see. Look at these little bows coming down in the vertical way. It's such a nicely well-made dress, and then it's like a mesh detailing, so it's a little shiny under the sun. The skirt itself is a little bit see-through, so I have to wear a slip underneath. I got a slip from Amazon just really quickly, just kind of like cover it up. But I just really love the lace detailing, asymmetrical end to the skirt itself. And it's just really flowy, and I'm obsessed with it. And I just want to give you guys some full detail on it the day after. Yeah. As you can see, I'm not in my place right now. I'm at my sister's place. I am actually going to my Bachelorette weekend this weekend, so very exciting. I have 7 girls coming with me. One of my friends picked me up, and I got them a bunch of stuff. Each girl will get their own little goodie bag. I know it looks kind of like a trash bag, but it's a cute trash bag. This bag is from Bagoo, and I got one for each of them. I thought that's a cute idea. Okay, here is the goodie bag. So here we have, can't talk right now, I'm doing hot girl shit. Hoodie that I custom made from Etsy. This is a self-care hot girl shit. I just wrote that, it's like a DIY. Okay, so this is the bag that I just DIY. I ordered this from Amazon. I have 2 liquid IV for each of the girls. I thought that's really good for hangovers and stuff the next day. And then I also have this squish acne flower pads for your face, and I thought that was really cute. And then each of the girls will also have this like a face mask from Rio. This is a tea tree one. I love their face masks. They're so hydrating and moisturizing. And each of the girls will also have this headband. Here we also have a lip scrub from NCLA Marshmallow. I really like it for myself, so I figured I'll just get some for my girls. This is the disposable camera with SpongeBob. I thought this is really cute, and also it was on sale, so I figured still the same disposable, just SpongeBob decoration. And over here, I don't want to open it, but I just got each of them like a candle. It's just really nice. I'll show you guys the picture on the screen somewhere, but yeah, that's essentially it. It's really easy, but it's also, I feel like these are the things that they will use after a bachelorette party. So I love this Baggu bag, and then each of them will have a different print, different style based on their characteristics or personalities. So I thought that was really cool. And of course there'll be a picture just to show which bag is for which person. So yeah, that's that.
Look at these! Cute! Good
I think you can hold a shot.
Right? I feel like
Is everyone different?
Is this the Price is Right or something? Come on now! I lost the flower, I remember. I know!
The after was everybody telling you to put my
This is so cute! Yeah! Trisha! I love that though. So smiley. Kelly. Sundaze.
This is one of my favorite photos of us.
I know. You keep reposting it. No way. And obviously yours behind the camera. Thank you. Oh. Nice. We're just walking around downtown Newport. Little coffee spot. We just got these coffee and they're $8. It's like Americano for $8. Insane. Not worth it. I won't show you guys where it is so you don't have to spend money. Just make it at home. Save money, save $8. Look at the shirt. Can't talk right now. I'm doing hot girl shit. And mine is. I can't talk right now. I'm doing wifey shit. Last day, we're leaving. We're stripping the bed. Just want to show you guys last minute how cool this house is. There's a little balcony and there's another room right there. That's what I'm wearing today. There's a huge yard. Such a pretty day. And I have to get rid of that let's get naughty sign soon. So sad. Really quickly, I'm just wearing this thrifted top that I think I showed you guys in the other video before, and then this Outdoor Voices white skirt. I think this is such a cute look, and then with sneakers like this. I know I didn't really film that much during this trip, but just because I have so much fun, but I did do a lot of montage, like kind of style kind of film, so hopefully this video will work out. I just want to say I had such a great time with my girls this weekend. It's so much fun. And then there was like a lot of different groups of friends that I kind of just come together. I was afraid there will be some drama before, just in case, but there's no drama. Everyone love each other. Best bachelorette party. If you guys are ever thinking about coming to Newport for a bachelorette or celebrate anything, this is definitely a place to go. This place is so cute. This one's so cute, but it's like $120, so never mind. So cute. Oh my god, that eye looks so funny.
Hey guys, so it's officially a week before the wedding and I'm getting pretty nervous. I still have a bunch of things that I feel like I need to do, even though I don't know what they are, but I just feel like I just have a lot of things to do. So I'm gonna kind of just walk you guys through what we still have to do, and then I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm gonna do with like DIY and stuff. I'm already kind of in the progress of doing those, but figure I should just bring you guys along, so hopefully they will work out. Alright, welcome to my very messy office. These are all the stuff for the wedding and there are more on the other side of the room. So I'm in the process of doing the guest charts, and we just went to Target to get all these like bathroom essentials for the guest, sign for the guest book that I just did yesterday. It just came. And over here we have these disposables that I decided to incorporate in our wedding. I'm just gonna lay these around on the table so then the guests hopefully will use it, because you never know. I feel like these are just gonna be empty at the end of the night. I'm gonna encourage everyone to use it. These are just like pajamas for my girls that I have to like bring them to the hotel the day of, and this is all the stuff I'm gonna bring to the hotel, like my hair accessories, my shoes, and my second dress, and then rings and stuff like that, boob tapes if you want to know that much detail. This is the guest book. Basically I'm gonna ask people to sign this vinyl. I basically just print out stickers and carefully cut them into the circle and then stick it on, and hopefully people will sign it with this Sharpie. I still have to make sure that this Sharpie actually works on this vinyl, but I feel like I'm like confident that it will work out. So, and then I'm gonna make another one for this because it's not enough for like the entire guests. We're gonna frame it on the wall. I think it's gonna be super cute. I did a lot of Pinterest, if you guys cannot tell. So the whole point of the seating chart is to make this. This is like a seating chart for like table 1. And then there'll be like other tables, and I think that's more sustainable than like ordering like a huge board that you can only use it for a night and then you're gonna throw it out. These, I feel like at least you can like recycle these. Also, another thing about these kind of wine bottle DIY thing about stickers, you have to ensure that you find wine bottles that's like straight. It's easier for you to stick on this kind of square stickers on. So yeah. I learned it the hard way.